everyone, now I know you are probably wondering, what on earth is airsoft? Well, wonder no more, because I will be taking you on a journey to the depths of the action-filled, heart-stopping, adrenaline-pumping, the extreme of the extreme sports on this one-of-a-kind show. This is Abby, and you are watching Pinoy Airsofter. Airsoft is an extreme sport in modern combat that simulates warfare in different settings. It is kind of similar to paintball, just that we're not using paintballs for ammunition, but tiny plastic pellets in order to take out your opponents with the aid of firearm replicas. The sport originated in the 1970s when privately owning real firearms was prohibited. Thus, the creation of firearm replicas became the rage of gun enthusiasts, and it arrived in the Philippines in the late 1980s. More of Airsoft 101 when Pinoy Airsofter comes back after the break.
By definition, airsoft guns or soft air guns, as called by other manufacturers, are spring, electric, or gas-powered gun replicas that fire tiny spherical plastic pellets, which are either 6 mm or 8 mm in diameter. These guns are replicas only in their design and specifications, but cannot be altered to fire real, live bullets. The three types of airsoft guns all operate on the same principle of a compressed gas expanding to force a pellet down the gun's barrel. For today, we will concentrate on the AEG. AEG stands for Automatic Electric Gun. This is the most widely used type of gun because of its availability, ease of use, and the multitude of possibilities that you can do to personalize it. It is primarily powered by a rechargeable battery that drives an electric motor to cycle a piston spring assembly which launches the pellets. It can operate on automatic and semi-automatic, hence its name AEG or Automatic Electric Gun.
Alright, now that we have all those legalities out of the way, let us go to the good stuff. But one must remember, before playing an intense sport such as airsoft, you need to get protected. And we have someone here to help us out. This is Tata June to explain and show us some of the gears and equipment that one may need in playing airsoft. So, ano po bang meron tayo ngayon?
Okay, so right now, we're going to be discussing about the safety gears of airsoft. And first and foremost, you got to have your mask.
The mask.
Okay, this is the very important thing about it. And then, kaya ito napaka-importante kasi this is the protection for your face and yung mata mo.
Very important,
yeah,
the eyes.
Yung mata kasi is very important sa game na to. And then second of all is yung boots natin. Okay. Yung boots, you can play with your regular shoes, like rubber shoes. Pero prone tayo sa mga pag-twist ng ankles, you know. And that's why boots are designed for rough terrains. And in the game of airsoft, siyempre, andyan yung mga rough terrains na pinaglalaroan natin.
You're always on the go.
Yep, running, whatever na pwedeng mangyari, no? And then second is your BDU. Okay.
To those who do not know, BDU stands for Battle Dress Uniform.
Galing. Okay. So, right now, we're going to discuss about the BDU. This is the lower BDU and this is the upper BDU. Now, the importance of BDU is para when you go crawling sa mga damuhan,
Crawling.
Tapos yung pag tinamakan ka ng BB, it won't penetrate your skin. Yung mga ganon, di ba? Kasi pagka wala akong BDU, marami dyan naglalaro na walang BDU.
Tapos nakikita ko meron
Naiinitan
silang-
yun eh. Naiinitan kaya sila nag-ano.
Tapos may red sila mga
Yeah,
ganito.
exactly.
Chicken pox baga.
Tapos meron pa mga instances na pumapasok yung bago sa skin.
Oh my goodness, talaga.
So, that's why I prefer wearing a BD. And definitely, one more thing is yung helmet.
Helmet.
Kasi pagka medyo masyado kang rugged, pag tumayo ka, or ano, mauuntog-untog ka, and then yung, pag siyempre, may tinatawag tayong headshot, naman, at least hindi ka magkakabukol.
Yeah.
And last thing is yung vest.
Yep.
Okay? Kasi yung vest is, ang importance ng vest is you can put your extra magazines on it, and matutulungan niya ring mapigilan yung impact ng, yung sakit ng BB sa katawan. Last of all, is yung, ano ba yun? Ito.
Tadaan!
Yung
Wait,
ating, gloves and knee pad.
Knee pad.
Gloves is para hindi ka masaktan. Kasi pinakamasakit talaga actually, para sa akin. Kasi matamaan ka sa mga
Kamay. Knuckles.
fingers mo and knuckles.
Okay.
And may mga gloves na for airsoft talaga, which is may plastic sila sa, to protect your fingers. And of course, the knee pads, siyempre, pagka nadapa ka and everything, you have
Saka
protection.
diba, you sneak up on your opponent, gagapang-gapang kayo dyan.
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. Kaya,
Right.
you need this kind of gears para pag naglaro ka, you'll be safe.
Alright. Okay, that was very informative.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tata June. Alright, to those who weren't able to go to God Save the Queen last October 2nd, check this out. And that was God Save the Queen. Congratulations, Azrael Army.